Hook, imagine you're driving, minding your own business, and suddenly, bam, a collision. Your dashcam caught it all, but what happens next? Can you rely on it to record the crucial details? Enter the Rexing V1P 4K dashcam. But does it really deliver on all those promises? Or is it just another camera on the market? Let's find out. Welcome to Autovated. Today, we're looking at the Rexing V1P 4K car dashcam, a dual-channel device that promises to capture everything, day or night. We'll break it down with expert insights and user feedback to see if it's the right choice for your vehicle. Product overview. The Rexing V1P features a low-profile design that allows it to discreetly mount on your windshield without drawing too much attention. It comes with a 4K front-facing camera, 2160p, and a 1080p rear-facing camera to offer dual-channel recording. Its wide dynamic range, WDR, allows for clear footage, even in tricky lighting conditions. The device is equipped with loop recording, so it will automatically overwrite older footage when storage is full. It also features a G sensor that locks important footage in the event of an accident, plus a parking monitor that provides 24-hour protection. I've scoured expert reviews, user feedback, and compared it with similar dashcams to give you an honest breakdown. So, is this the dashcam you need? Let's dive into the key features. Key features. First up, let's talk about the 4K recording. This dashcam promises sharp, clear video capture at 2160p in the front camera, which is great for detailing license plates, road signs, and any other fine details in an incident. The rear camera records at 1080p, which is ideal for covering what's happening behind your car. Second, the wide dynamic range, WDR, gives you balanced footage, even when transitioning from bright daylight to low light situations, like when you're driving at night or under harsh streetlights. This is crucial if you're looking for a dashcam that performs well in all lighting conditions. Lastly, the G sensor and parking monitor are features I personally find essential. The G sensor detects any sudden impact or accident and locks the footage to prevent overwriting, ensuring the key evidence is preserved. The parking monitor adds another layer of protection by keeping the dashcam active even when the car is parked. Real-world testing and usage experience. During my testing, I installed the Rexing V1P in my daily commuter car. I drove through different light conditions, recorded both day and night, and even conducted a few simulated accidents, nothing too drastic of course, to test the G sensor. The footage quality was crisp, especially for a dashcam at this price point. The WDR was impressive, with clear images even when driving through poorly lit streets. And when I triggered the G sensor during a test bump, the footage immediately locked, ensuring no important data was lost. Pros and cons. Pros: high-quality 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera provide excellent footage clarity. WDR ensures clear, balanced images in various lighting. The G sensor and parking monitor offer peace of mind, especially for protecting the car when parked. Discreet design doesn't draw attention. Affordable considering the dual-channel recording and 4K video. Cons: the rear camera's 1080p resolution is good, but not as high as some competitors that offer 1440p or 4K for both cameras. The camera could be a bit tricky to install, especially if you're not used to wiring dashcams yourself. No included memory card, so you'll need to buy one separately. Value for money. The Rexing V1P offers great value, especially when compared to other high-end dashcams that feature 4K recording at a much higher price point. For the cost, you get solid build quality, dual-channel recording, and essential safety features like the G sensor and parking monitor. You'll likely pay a bit more for higher spec options, but this camera covers the basics well without breaking the bank. Comparison. When comparing the Rexing V1P to competitors like the Vantrue N4 and Nextbase 522GW, the Rexing comes out on top in terms of price, but falls short in the rear camera resolution, offering 1080p versus the 1440p or 4K seen in those models. However, if you're not focused on rear camera clarity or don't mind a slightly lower resolution, the Rexing provides excellent overall performance for the price. Midway call to action. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and want to be in the driver's seat for all the latest reviews, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. We've got tons more content to keep you informed and cruising ahead. Build quality and longevity. The build quality of the Rexing V1P feels solid, with a sleek, well-constructed design. The materials used are sturdy, and there's no creaking or feeling of cheap plastic. As for longevity, Rexing has a good reputation for making reliable products, and the camera seems well constructed for long-term use, though I'd recommend checking user feedback regularly for updates. Customer support. I've seen mixed reviews when it comes to Rexing's customer support, but most issues seem to be resolved quickly. The company offers a 1-year warranty on the V1P, so if you run into any issues, there's some peace of mind. Always a plus with tech like this, who it's for. This dashcam is best for daily commuters who want reliable, high-quality footage without the need for top-tier specs. It's also great for anyone who values the added protection of a rear camera and parking monitoring. If you're looking for a dashcam primarily for performance tracking or higher-end features, you might want to look into pricier options. Conclusion: strong option. If you're looking for an affordable dashcam with solid video quality, great safety features like the G sensor and parking monitor, and reliable performance, the Rexing V1P is one of the best options in this price range. It's ideal for drivers who want peace of mind without paying premium prices. Final CTA? Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about getting the Rexing V1P or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for the product link. Until next time, keep your ride autovated, always ready for what's ahead.